Hello and welcome to this tutorial on TensorFlow with Python. My name is Felix and I'll be your guide as we explore this powerful machine learning library. In today's video, we'll dive into the basics of TensorFlow, learn its core concepts, and create a simple model to see how it all works together. TensorFlow is widely used in industry and academia for a variety of machine learning tasks and mastering. It will open up many exciting opportunities for you in the world of AI. TensorFlow, developed by Google Brain, is an open source library designed to perform complex computations efficiently using data flow graphs. It's highly popular for implementing deep learning models, and its flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. TensorFlow supports multiple programming languages, but we'll focus on Python in this tutorial as it's the most popular language for machine learning. Before we get started, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You'll also need to install TensorFlow. You can do this using pip or conda with the following command. After installing, let's quickly verify the installation by importing TensorFlow in Python. This should output the TensorFlow version you've installed. Now let's cover some of the core concepts in TensorFlow. First, tensors. Tensors are multidimensional arrays and the primary data structure in TensorFlow. They have properties like rank, shape, and data type. Second, graphs. TensorFlow represents computations as a directed graph of nodes. Each node represents an operation on tensors, and the edges represents the flow of tensors between operations. Third, sessions. A session is an environment in which you can execute a TensorFlow graph. Sessions allocate memory for tensors and manage their life cycles. Let's create a simple linear regression model to demonstrate these concepts. We'll be using TensorFlow and the Keras API for this example. In this code snippet, we first import the required libraries and define our training data and labels. Next, we create a simple linear regression model using the Keras API with a single dense layer. Now it's time to train our model. We'll compile the model with the loss function and optimizer and then fit the model to our training data. After training the model, we can evaluate its performance by making predictions on new unseen data. Here we define our test data and use the predict function to make predictions with our trained model. Nice! We trained our first model together. Keep in mind that this is a simple example, and in practice you may need to adjust hyperparameters, use more complex models, or pre-process your data to improve performance. In this tutorial, we've only scratched the surface of what TensorFlow and the Keras API can do. They offer many powerful features for building more advanced models and streamlining your machine learning workflows. In the upcoming tutorials, we'll dive deeper into these features, such as using the Keras functional API for more complex model architectures, working with TensorFlow datasets for easier data handling, and utilizing TensorBoard for visualization and model debugging. That's it for our introduction to TensorFlow with Python. I hope this tutorial has given you a solid foundation to start building your own machine learning models using TensorFlow. Don't forget to practice and experiment on your own to truly master these concepts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel for more machine learning content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.